hope you're all doing well. Some people here are asking me to make an update about Alpha Network, so I made this video first. Previously, AlphaPay mainnet was launched and many pioneers started to sell their Alpha coins everywhere on social media. Many were scammed by not receiving payments after the coin was sent and vice versa. I also wanted to sell some of my coins, but I'm afraid because of this risk. I just don't want to take this shortcut and get robbed along the way. Let's just trust the process and eventually we'll get there. The safest way to sell our coins is through an exchange, and this will be our topic today. Recently, Alpha Network team released an update about what is happening in the network. They plan to connect Alpha to a public blockchain, specifically to the Ethereum blockchain. If you're new to cryptocurrency, allow me to give you an overview of a public blockchain like Ethereum. Public blockchain uses a peer-to-peer network. It does not have restrictions nor it's controlled by anyone. It's completely a decentralized network that is impossible to change or alter because everyone in the network has a copy of the same data. If someone tries to change or alter the blocks, it will be rejected by the majority of the members of the network. It also provides anonymity, which means no one can track your transactions back to you. If Alpha Exchange is a success in the future, it will provide a safe and secure environment for investors and sellers. Not only that, now that the AlphaPay is released, it will also strengthen the probability of achieving the Alpha network ecosystem the team has envisioned. They said that the Alpha coin will become an interoperable asset that can convert from one cryptocurrency to another without any hidden fees, resulting in an instant and light speed transactions. To make it simple, they want to fulfill swift transactions between consumers and businesses with low to no transaction fees, and it will happen in this Alpha exchange with the help of the Ethereum blockchain via Polygon. Upon the release of Alpha Exchange, miners will then be able to sell a portion of their mined Alpha coins or buy more. The price will automatically be adjusted to ensure that everyone trades at a fair price. The team will also then focus on scalability and optimization of the network, as well as utility tools to facilitate Alpha for a variety of use such as games, metaverse, NFTs, and more. Everyone who mines Alpha coins is waiting for this day to happen when everyone can make use of the Alpha coin they've collected throughout this journey. I'm really happy about this update because I can clearly see where this everyday mining is going. I can see that the team is working hard to deliver their promise. And if you're so eager to sell your coins to random people, I suggest to wait a little bit more unless you're selling to someone you know and trust. Like I said, we're now getting there. And you just have to trust the process. If this is your first time on Alpha Network, I also included the link in the description box below so you can download the app in case you want to try it. You may also use the invitation code to gain extra coins. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in my next video. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!